Hi everyone, it's Miss Karen from the Lake Travis Community Library Bookmobile. We really miss you. Alright, are you ready for a story? If you're ready for a story, have a seat. If you're ready for a story, have a seat. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Fold your hands up nice and neat. If you're ready for a story, have a seat. Okay, good. Now that you're all sitting, we're going to read How to Read a Story by Kate Messner and illustrated by Mark Siegel. That means he does the pictures, and we're reading it with permission from Chronicle Books, for which we thank them. So this is a book about how to read a story, like we're doing right now. I'm sure you guys do all this. Okay, so step 1, find a story. Find a good one. It can have princesses and castles, if you like that sort of thing, or witches and trolls, as long as they're not too scary. But a story can have anything that you want it to have. Step 2, find a reading buddy, a good one. A buddy can be older or younger, or a person your age, or maybe not a person at all. You can read with anybody or any pet. Make sure your reading buddy is nice and snuggly, and make sure you both like the book. If you don't agree, go back to step 1 and find another book. Sometimes it takes a few tries to find just the right book. Step 3, find a cozy reading spot. Outside is fun, but not if it's very cold, unless you have thick woolen blankets and hats and scarves and cups of steaming hot cocoa. And outside can be fun, but not if it's very hot, unless you have trees to shade you from the sun, a hammock to catch cool breezes, and tall glasses of icy lemonade. Do you have a favorite drink while you're reading a book? But do you spill the drink on your book? No. Inside is also good. Couches are cozy, so are chairs big enough for 2. Just be careful not to get stuck. Do you ever get stuck with your reading buddy in a chair? Step 4, look at the book's cover. Can you guess what it's about? Read the title. That might be a clue. The princess, the dragon, and the robot. Do you think the book is about a dragon, or a princess, or a robot? Sometimes the title tells you and sometimes it doesn't. Step 5, open the book. This is the exciting part. Sometimes stories start with once upon a time. Read the story in a loud, clear voice, not too slow and not too fast. You can point to words if you like, but you don't have to do that. You can do it however you want, but should you eat the book? No. Step 6. When the characters talk, whatever's being said, say it in a voice to match who's talking. So what's this? The lion. What does the lion say? The lion says, I will save the kingdom. How do you think the lion says, I will save the kingdom? I will save the kingdom. And what's that? A mouse. What do you think the mouse says? He says, I am the most powerful in all the land. But how would a mouse say it? I am the most powerful in all the land. Does he have a high squeaky voice? He might. Here's a knight. What does the knight say? I'm hungry for lunch. And who's that? Is that a dragon? What does the dragon say? Soon the castle will be mine. But how would a dragon say it? Roar, 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 roar. And what does the robot say? Beep. Step 7. No matter what you read, hold the book so your buddy can see the pictures. Can you all see the pictures? Buddies get impatient when they can't see well. I'm sorry if you can't see it too well. It's hard on video. Step 8. If there are words you don't know, try sounding them out or looking at the pictures to see what makes sense. Everyone encounters words they don't know. They were afraid the dragon would burn down the, this word, oh, the castle. There's a picture of a castle to help you out. If you need a break, you can pause for a minute and talk to your reading buddy to predict what might happen next. Do we talk about that a lot? What do you think happens next in the story? Will the castle catch on fire? Will the princess tame the dragon? Will the robot marry the princess? Will the horse make friends with the dragon? Will the dragon eat them all for lunch? Uh-oh, what's going to happen? Step 9. When you get to the exciting parts, make your voice sound exciting too. Who dares disturb me in my cave? The dragon growled. Grrr. Oh dear, oh no! The robot was so scared all his metal parts rattled. What would they do? But do you think the robot would say oh dear or no or beep beep, beep beep? But the princess tackled that dragon and held him down. You must promise you'll leave our kingdom in peace. When you and your buddy can't stand it a second longer, turn the page to read how things will turn out. Is it fun when you have a fun book? The dragon promised and decided it was better being friends, and they all lived happily ever after. Step 10. When the book is over, say, the end. And then, if it was a really good story, go right back to the beginning and start all over again. The end. Is that how you all read stories? I hope you like that one. Okay, can you put your hands on your shoulders? Hands on your knees, hands behind you if you please. Touch your ears, and now your nose, and now your hair, and now your toes. Hands up high in the air, now down at your sides, now touch your hair. Hands up high like before, now clap your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job, guys.